Hello, this is a quick video to show how to flip image in After Effects. After starting After Effects, we can click here to create a new composition. I will keep this setting and click OK. And then I have an image. This is the After Effects logo image in PNG. I click and drag into composition. And then we can press S to show scale, and I unlock the constraint proportions. And we can type negative in X to flip horizontal. We can type negative in Y to flip vertical. Actually, we can select the image layer and go to layer and transform. We can find the flip horizontal and flip verticals here. So this is how we can flip image in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.